I'm Oliver Mangum. I'm the Applications Director at Fairfield Control Systems, and we're a system integrator and a partner with DELMIA. We've been delivering solutions with the DELMIA software for many years, but we've actually only been a partner for 1 year now. So far it's been a really good experience. We chose DELMIA because we had a client with a certain requirement and the software met the requirement, and from there we've expanded what we do and what we're using it for. Yeah, so we were using an alternative software which was quite a basic augmented reality software, and the client wanted more from the software. They wanted more features, and they wanted us to be able to do product tracking, so be able to move the product around and the projection and the augmented reality follow the product. So we went out to the market, and that's where we found the DELMIA Augmented Experience solution. And since then we've implemented it and we've expanded where it's used and how much it's used, so it's been a real success. Yeah, one of the biggest challenges, or one of the biggest requirements for our client, was being able to reduce that learning curve, and by using the software we managed to remove the learning curve so people can come straight in and start assembling products without any previous training. So that's been a real improvement in their production facility. We've also managed to speed up the time it takes to manufacture the product, and we've got zero non-compliance as well. The Community Summit's been great, meeting people from DELMIA, meeting clients and other partners, and being able to network, share ideas, and really build a community that I think every year is now going to get stronger and stronger. It's been really useful.